Yo, 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 this is Sol, also known as SPL Gum, also known as Spatial Gum, also known as Grunt, your hardest team Skull Grunt. And this is Pokemon Rumble Rush. We are on to Super Bosses number 21 to 25. We'll do them right now using Pokemon. No need to use Pokemon from this sea, but we'll try. So we are sorting by discharge. Discharge might be good. And we're equipping charge boost. We're equipping what gear would be nice for this thing? Thunder gear might be a bit too hassle. Head smash gear is fine. Let's just equip a Zygarde outrage gear. And with that said, guys, we just need to hit him once so that the weakness would be triggered, and then we use our summon gear, and then we use another summon gear, and then kill him off, and he's dead. If you play Pokemon Masters, guys, there's a data mine that says Red is coming out really soon, as well as some awesome sync pairs. Can't wait to have them. And that's it. We are not caring about that Tyranitar thing. We're not that obsessed with finishing goals. I just want to finish as many stages as we can, guys. This is Super Bosses number 22. Blastoise. Let's get on to it, shall we? Are those for alligators? I better be careful not to hit them. Oh boy. They haven't been killed. Oh, why did I use it immediately? Oh boy. He might charge towards me. It's fine, I hope. No, it's not fine. Let me just avoid that. And he uses a shield. Very, very, very bad. But let's kill you. That was Super Boss number 22, guys. Dead. Blastoise, dead. We don't care about Ampharos. Moving on, guys. Super Boss number 23 is up. It's Charizard, and it's flying and fire, so that means he's also weak to electric type. That means we don't have to switch. Let's just quickly use this Pokemon, and let's kill him. Are those type lotions? Guys, I noticed that there are crazy amount of Pokemon you can catch in this sea, guys. So super many, and let me show you what I mean. I checked earlier and I was shocked at how many you can catch. Wow, 7,000 something earlier. And he's dead. Super Boss number 23 is dead. I think the next one is a rock type. It's a Lycanroc, if I'm not mistaken. And after Lycanroc, I think it's a Venusaur, if I'm not mistaken as well. And Lycanroc is a rock type, meaning it's not, or electric type is not going to work against Lycanroc. We better switch. Guys. We got our first 5-star earlier. I'm sad that we got a 5-star so early because the CP cannot go very high if, you know, you get a 5-star so early in the game. I don't mind getting an SR summon gear or a super rare, But 5-star, kind of regretting that we got one so early. But at the same time, I'm happy we got a 5-star. Does that even make sense, guys? We don't have anyone strong to defeat him. We have a lantern with just one slot. The rest, no super effective attack. Just one slot of Metal Claw, just one slot of Sand Tomb. We're gonna switch. We're gonna use some Pokemon we have from other islands, and we're gonna use this Tyrant Earthquake thing. This is one of my favorites for farming because it's overpowered, strong as heck. Strong as heck, guys. I might not have a Beware SR summon gear, but I have a level 10 Stuffle. And it's almost as powerful without the secondary effects of the summon gear. But I think it's powerful enough. And only 1 star because we didn't use Pokemon we caught from the sea. Last super boss is a Venusaur. Super boss number 25. Then we can move, get those floating balloons, and move on to super bosses 26 to 30. And with that said, guys, I think we have our Magmar over here with Fire Blast. We're going to use this. And let's just use a stored power gear. It's the new summon gear I got from the past island or past sea. Lubber is not... I'm only having Lubber at him for the tournament, guys. But tournament / coin rush, because my charge boost is equipped to Mamoswine. I wonder if this will... No, this does not work. Let me charge this. Oh wait, why did I even use that? Fine, let's just use it. Fine. Are you charging towards me? I summon gear you. You die. You freeze. You freeze in place. You're gonna die soon. And that is it, guys. That was Super Boss number 25. And that's it for this video. If you enjoyed this, give this a thumbs up. Comment your thoughts. Share this with your friends. Subscribe if you haven't. One more thing I gotta show you before we end. I see that the next few super bosses are all legendaries, guys. Lugia, Suicune, Entei, well, Tyranitar is not legendary. Celebi, Lugia, Suicune, Entei. Is there no Raikou, Tyranitar again, and Celebi? Anyway, guys, field notes. Check it out. Oh my goodness, so many from this. It's crazy. For the rest, normal. I see that there is a... Is that a... What Doros is this? Thunderous? Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I'm done.